Good day. This is segment 14. This is a discussion about the use of light for bathymetry, but this time we are working with an active system. So laser system. Um, and here is my introduction to LiDAR or light detection and ranging. Yeah. This LiDAR system is getting widely applied to complement hydrographic survey, particularly in the difficult area. But as we might also aware that this system is subject to economic scale because of the cost of the investment. And different from acoustic system and satellite derived bathymetry, we have discussed this earlier in the previous segment. Airborne LiDAR bathymetry or ALB uses pulsed laser light. So this is an extra generated electromagnetic wave, to measure travel time from the laser transmitted to a target, and reflected back to determine the surface elevation. And another band of light is to determine the bottom. So near infrared and blue green laser waveform generate sea surface written, the red one here, and sea bottom written, the blue one here. Yeah. There is also an indication of the nature of the wavelength here, 1000 or so nanometer and 500 or so nanometer for the blue one. And this is a type of optical remote sensing technology that is able to identify the time separation between the surface written and the bottom written. Again, this is the surface written and this is the bottom written. And this time separation will be the length of the column, which is the water depth. So that the advantage of using this system is the capability to cover the transition zone, the intertidal zone, which is cannot be completed by hydrographic survey because hydrographic survey needs water in a navigable area, and neither by the topographic survey because they don't like to get wet. And with this system, one is capable to detect the dry area, and the other one is capable to detect the surface written and the bottom written. And at the end get the entire picture of the survey area. The primary element of the system is a standard, the positioning given by the GNSS, and of course motion compensator, by IMU here, and the laser, and of course the sensors. So this is a short introduction on LiDAR system for obtaining bathymetry in shallow and coastal water.